Welcome to the Car Dealer Chatbot preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how customers explore vehicles, making the car buying journey easier, well-informed, and completely hassle-free. The experience begins with a warm welcome message, followed by a main menu offering 4 key service options: browse cars, trade in my car, special offers, and contact sales team. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to match individual business needs and requirements. When a user selects Browse Cars, the chatbot prompts them to choose the type of car they are interested in. After selecting a category, the bot displays the available vehicles under that category. If the user chooses the Book Test Drive option, the chatbot automatically sends a short questionnaire to collect essential details such as the preferred date, time, and the customer's name. Once these details are submitted, the bot instantly confirms the test drive booking and shares a final confirmation message. This chatbot delivers a smooth, efficient, and customer-friendly experience from browsing vehicles to booking a test drive, all through a simple and guided conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, you can easily integrate Google Sheets to maintain data and keep your flow and data organized. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Car Dealer Chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.